How to not get banned from Roblox VC. Now, if you don't want to get banned from the Roblox VC, you just simply need to follow some of the verifications in order to be safe in the Roblox VC. Now, if you want to know full guidelines and rules, you just simply need to open your browser and search Roblox VC rules. Then it will tell you what you need to be and do in order to not get banned from Roblox VC. Now, first of all, you need to be at least 13 years old and you need to verify your official ID in order to tell them, in order to confirm that you are older than 13 years old. And if you are not yet 13 years old, you are directly getting banned from Roblox VC. And other things, such as if you try to do some suggestive things in the Roblox VC, and if you try to promote some sexual or harassment in there, you might get banned as well. So you should avoid all of those activities in there and make a safe place in Roblox VC. Then you will be safe in there. If you try to violate any of the community guidelines and rules, you will instantly get banned in Roblox. So I hope this video have been informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.